Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make little cards. Feature things. That's a bear, that is. So I'm going to get a little piece of paper. Got one here. Just smoothing it down. Maybe fold it. And yeah, so like that. And just do a little nose like that. And sort of in the middle of the page. Sorry, my sister's just talking on the phone. And I'm doing it here. Okay. So, when you've done that, the eyes should look brilliant. The eyes are like cool. So like, when you've done the eyes, that would be really good. Because you can see the effect of the face coming. And brown. So good. The nose looks cool, yeah man. And then do that like sort of, what you doing? Sorry babe. Babe, look at the camera babe now. And like this. So like, you got that there. So your face looks so cheeky. And there you have your little dog. Isn't that good? So there you go. Got a little dog. And you can put little bodies on them. You can do like this. You can do like little bodies on them. That would look good, wouldn't it? His back foot could go like a bit. Okay. It's like a little puppy mine is. They're the different versions. And I love doing them. They work of art. And there you go. You have your little doodle dog. Your little dog, Piplo, I'm going to call mine. So, hope you got inspired by this. And draw it. Rocket dog, yeah. So, that's good. Thank you for watching. Bye. And please subscribe and like or comment. Or don't like. And